Motorcycles for Beginners: The Ultimate Guide. Harley-Davidson Street 500. The Harley-Davidson Street 500 is an excellent entry-level cruiser for beginner riders who want to experience the iconic Harley-Davidson brand without the overwhelming power of a larger motorcycle. Known for its approachable size, low seat height, and smooth power delivery, the Street 500 is designed to offer a relaxed yet thrilling ride for those just starting their motorcycling journey. Engine and performance. The Harley-Davidson Street 500 is powered by a 494 cubic centimeters V-twin engine, which produces 34 horsepower and 40 Nm of torque. While the engine is not overly powerful, it delivers plenty of low-end torque, allowing the rider to enjoy a smooth and enjoyable ride without feeling overwhelmed. The low-end grunt of the V-twin makes it easy to maneuver around tight corners in city traffic while providing enough power for longer highway rides. The 6-speed transmission shifts with ease, and the lightweight design of the Street 500 ensures the bike is easy to control at low speeds. For new riders, the bike's performance is predictable and manageable, with power that grows as the rider's skill and confidence develop. Comfort and ergonomics. Harley-Davidson designed the Street 500 with beginner-friendly ergonomics in mind. The low seat height of 710 mm (28 inches) allows for easy foot placement on the ground, making it easier for new riders to balance the bike during stops. The upright riding position is comfortable for both city commutes and longer rides, reducing strain on the wrists and back. Weighing just 223 kilograms (492 pounds), the Street 500 is a manageable motorcycle for beginners, giving them the confidence to handle the bike at low speeds and during turns. The bike's design allows for a smooth and stable ride, especially for riders who are just starting to develop their skills. Features and technology. The Harley-Davidson Street 500 comes with a number of features that enhance both its functionality and style. Digital instrument cluster. The LCD display provides essential information like speed, fuel level, and trip meters in a simple, easy-to-read format. LED lighting. The headlight and taillight are equipped with LED technology, improving visibility and offering a modern touch to the classic cruiser design. Low maintenance. The Street 500 is designed for ease of maintenance, making it a good option for beginner riders who might not yet be familiar with bike upkeep. Why it's perfect for beginners. The Harley-Davidson Street 500 is an ideal motorcycle for beginners due to its approachable size, manageable power, and stylish design. It offers all the benefits of a Harley-Davidson motorcycle, including the brand's signature V-twin engine and cruiser styling, without the intimidating power found on larger models. The Street 500 is an excellent choice for new riders who want to experience the thrill of Harley-Davidson while gaining the confidence to take on more challenging rides in the future.